Another cool thing you can do in Wealthbox is pull your BCC address. Even if you don't pay for Wealthbox email, you can use this to send copies of incoming and outgoing messages and other notes right to Wealthbox. As long as there's a contact with a matching email address, Wealthbox will automatically associate the note to the correct contact. Otherwise, you can access the note from your dashboard and associate it to the appropriate contact like so. Click on the note name, hit Actions, Edit, and then find the contact by name. Once you've selected the contact, go ahead and hit Save, and the note will populate in the contact like so. Going back to the BCC, if you hit the three buttons next to your name and then hit Applications, BCC Email Dropbox is the first application that shows up on the top. Hit Settings, copy this link, and then you can save it in your email contacts for easy access in the future. Anytime you want that data to associate to Wealthbox or a copy of an email to associate, just go ahead and add this BCC address to the BCC field in the message, and going back to your dashboard, you'll get a note like so. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful videos on automations just like this.